Welcome to Ojibwa Indian Reservation Casino. I think that's how they pronounce it. Actually, we are in the RV park, which is becoming a new addition to the world of camping. So there's about 200 casinos across the country right now that have RV parks, and we kind of like it because it gives us some new opportunities of where to stay. This park in particular is brand new, or I would say about a year or so old. They're still trying to grow the grass, but the main road is paved. They got picnic tables that are spanking new, and fire pits have not been used as well. So a few new trees. So basically, these RV parks that are part of a casino, they're pretty generous because they have a lot of land, so the space is not a problem. So the price point is like a bit mid-50, about $50 a night. They're generally good for 1 or 2 nights. They're not in any location where you want to spend a week or monthly rate, but they're nice, they're clean, they're well maintained, and the showers here are impeccable. Hardly anybody uses because I think there's about 5 of us here. So we spend the last couple of nights here just recharging, dumping our tanks and filling up the water, and doing some laundry, and we'll be on our way tomorrow. So just an addition, whatever the casino RV park. We stayed in couple so far. They seem to be a pretty good deal for a day or two, and in this particular park, check-in was online, so you don't even have to talk to anybody. You just pick the site, pay your fee, and you leave whenever you're ready. So pretty much good experience. The sites are good size, choice of back-in or drive-through. Not exactly leveled. Most people should be okay leveling. We found this particular park on the pull-through side. We could level our coach, but that's fine. But generally, good space and good place to pull in and spend a night or two. So RV parks as part of casinos. We went into the casino last night just to kind of walk through. Not our cup of tea, nothing I'm interested in, but it does attract a certain number of people, and some people love this addition because this particular casino does not have a hotel. I don't think it does, so RV park is a good addition to it. But anyway, so thanks for watching, and keep that in mind. RV parks in or near casinos.